Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to find security and privacy. Now let's scroll down and tap on other security settings. And as you can see here, we've got whole credential storage. In order to remove them, we have to simply tap on clear credentials and confirm it. And as you can see, we've got this information. What's more, we cannot tap on this option again, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.